Want to unlock the secret to creating Looker Studio dashboards that adapt to your audience, offering laser-focused insights for everyone? Let's dive right into adding parameters in Looker Studio. First, open your report and navigate to the resource menu in the toolbar at the top. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Added Data Sources. This is where you'll find the configuration settings for the data feeding your report. A panel will appear showing all of your connected data sources. Locate the data source you want to add a parameter to, and click the Edit button next to it. Inside the data source editing screen, look for the Add a Parameter button. It's usually located near the bottom of the screen. Click it to open the parameter configuration window. Now, it's time to define your parameter. Give it a descriptive name that your users will understand. The parameter ID will be used internally, so keep it short and relevant. Select the appropriate data type, such as number, text, or Boolean. If you want to restrict the possible values, specify them in the Allowed Values section. You can also enable Allow Multiple Values if you want users to select more than one option. Finally, click Save to create your parameter. To use your new parameter, select a chart or table in your report, and then add a filter. Choose the parameter you created and set the condition to equal the parameter. This allows the parameter selections to directly impact the data that is displayed.